Hello guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can make a lot of money using the SixPods.com system. Alright, so I'm going to show you just one aspect of it, and as you are very much aware, SixPods.com is a platform where you can post people's adverts on your WhatsApp status and make a lot of money. You can earn from 5 to 10 Ghana cedis, per post, depending on the advertiser's preference. Alright, but in this video, I'm going to show you how to do the affiliate marketing aspect, where you can go promote other people's products and then you make a lot of money. You can also list your own products, and you can also buy, products from the system. So to do that, what you need to do is that if you need to just come to Google, then you type SixPods. All right, just go to Google and type SixPods, or if you already have the app, you can just go to your apps and then select it. Okay, so you can use the website, which is sixpods.com. If you can't remember, just go to Google and type SixPods. It's going to bring you to this particular platform. All right, this particular page, sorry, where you are going to see the first link, and the first link is the exact website that I'm talking about. So when you tap on it, it's going to take you straight to the website, and this is how the website looks like. A beautifully designed website with everything that you need to know about the business. All right, so I can just go and click on get started. Once I click on get started, I have the option to create an account or to sign in. All right, you can create an account as an influencer, and you can also create an account as an advertiser. You create an advertiser account if you want to advertise your product, your business, or your services. And you create an influencer account if you want to post ads on your WhatsApp status and make money. But I'm not going to create an account. I'm just going to go ahead and sign into the back office. All right. So right now I'm using the web. All right. I'm using the URL to access the website, but you can also use the app. Once you sign up and you log in, you have the option to download the app, and you are gonna go to the same place. All right, so I'm gonna tap and sign on to this website. All right, okay, so this is the back office that we have. So you have available balance, pending balance, total, and what have you. Everything is there. All right, very beautifully designed website. So what is going to happen is that I'm going to click at the top left corner where you see the three lines. So I'm just going to tap on it, and once you tap on it, you go to marketplace. When you tap on marketplace, you are going to see promote and earn, buy, sell. Right, so I'm going to concentrate on the promote and earn for now, but before that, let's look at the buy. So once you click on the buy, it's going to bring you to the shop where you're going to see products, okay, that you can buy. We have digital products, we have physical products, and what have you. Okay, and if you click on the sale, it's going to bring you to a page where you're going to see your products, your orders, and what have you. Okay, so you can list your own product. If you tap here, it's going to bring you to this page where you can list your own products for sale. Right, but for now, like I said, I want us to concentrate on the promote. So I'm going to go ahead and tap on promote, and once you tap on promote, it's going to bring you to the affiliate center. All right, the affiliate center. So let's say that I've seen this product, all right, and I want to promote it. What do I do? This is a kidney protection guide, and it's going for 15 cedis. All right, so I can mark up the price to as high as 5 to as high as 20 cedis. So what the seller is saying is that I can mark up this product. I can add a maximum of 5 cedis to this particular product. Okay, and whenever I make a sale, I'm going to be rewarded with the markup that I added. So if I add a markup of, let's say, 5 cedis, all right, when there's a sale, I am going to make 5 cedis. So it means the total sales price will now become 20 cedis instead of the 15 cedis. Okay, so once I put in 5 cedis, I'm going to tap on okay, so let me change this product. Let me change to this one, this t-shirt here. All right, so this t-shirt is going for 160, and I can mark up to a maximum of 20 cedis. So I'm just going to add 20 cedis to it. All right, and click on get promote, get link. All right, so once I tap on that, it's going to bring me to this page. So you can see that the price now is 180. All right, so I earn 20 cedis per unit. All right, so I have the promotion kit here. So what I'm going to do is that it's asking me the platform that I want to post, if it is Instagram, WhatsApp, Facebook, or what have you. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and tap on maybe Facebook. Then the tone, do I want it to be friendly? Do I want to hype it? Do I want it professional? So I'm going to tap on hype, and then the language is English. All right, the language is English. So I'm just going to tap on generate caption. Okay, so once I click on generate caption, it's going to generate a very nicely carved caption for me. But remember, the price here is still 160, so I'm just going to change it to 180 to match the price. All right, so this is my caption, and with the link at the bottom, you can see that the link to the product at the bottom. Then if I want the product's image, I just tap on get product media, and it's going to generate the image for me. So this is the image, so I'm going to click on download. It's going to download the image to my phone. All right, okay, so it's downloaded it to my phone. I'm going to copy the caption. I've copied the caption. So once that is done, I can now go ahead and go on to Facebook or wherever I want to post it, and then I can post. All right, so I can come to right, then I can post to my whatever. So this is the ad here. So you see that it's now my WhatsApp status. Right. So if I tap, this is how it's going to look like. So it says step out bold in official SixPods branded t-shirts. Be part of this the pace setters. Wear it with pride and show you are a change maker. Get yours for just 180 cedis with physical delivery available. Tap the link. So if somebody sees this and taps on the link, I am going to make a commission of 20 cedis. All right. So if I tap on the link, it's going to ask me whether it should open. Once it opens, then it's going to take me to the page. So let me just try. All right. So let me just try to copy only the link. Let me copy only the link. All right, and then we go to a browser. The Brave browser here. All right, so I'm going to paste this link here to the browser, and let's see where it's going to take me to. So this is it. You can see that the product is here. The amount is 180. Remember, the advertisers price was 160. We marked it up by 20, so we have 180. So once I tap on buy, okay, once I tap on buy here, so we have 25 units left. I tap on buy, it's going to open a form where I'm going to fill the form. Once I fill the form and I click on pay 180, it's going to take me to Flutterwave where I'm going to complete my payment, and boom. All right, I mean, this is the buyer. So the buyer is going to complete the payment and my account will be credited with 20 Ghana cedis. I've made a sale from my WhatsApp, right, and I've earned 20 cedis to be credited to my account. So the owner of the product gets 160 and I get 20. So I just make my money and I go away. It's the duty of the seller to now package the product and now deliver it to the buyer. So affiliate marketing is very, very, very powerful. You just have to bring customers. Once they buy, you don't have nothing to do again. It is the seller who has the responsibility to package the product and deliver it to the buyer, and I just pocket my money and I'm gone. So if you can make 10 orders in a day, all right, just look for a hot product in the marketplace. If you can make 10 sales a day, you can make 100, 200, 300, even 500 to 1,000 a day, depending on how much traffic you bring to the product that you are selling. So guys, that is how to promote products on the SixPods platform and make money. All right, that is how to promote the product. So if I go back to promo, all right, so this is how you are gonna have access to your analytics. We have paid out, we have pending, we have orders. All right, so this is the one that I just did, the second one, that is the SixPods branded t-shirt. So if you want your analytics, you have them here, your paid out, your pending, your conversions, and what have you. So guys, that is it guys, that is it guys. So I know you love this video, Just subscribe, turn on the bell notification, and we'll speak later.